Hello everyone. In the last video, we learned how to convert a binary number system to a decimal number system, and we took some examples. In this video, we will take more examples to understand the idea very well. Example 1. Convert the binary number 101011.1101 to a decimal number. For convenience, we will take the number as two parts, the integer part and the fractional part. Then we add the two converted parts together. First, we will convert the integer part of the number, which is 101011. We will take the digits from the right to the left. We start with the first right digit, this one, and multiply it by the base 2 to the power of 0, because this digit is in the position 0 of the number, and this position is for ones. Plus, then we take the second right digit, this one, and multiply it by the base 2 to the power of 1, because this digit is in the position 1 of the number, and this position is for tens. Plus, then we take the next right digit, this 0, and multiply it by the base 2 to the power of 2, because this digit is in the position 2 of the number, and this position is the hundreds. Plus, the next right digit, this one, multiply it by the base 2 to the power of 3, because this digit is in the position 3 of the number, and this position is for thousands. Plus the next right digit, this 0, multiply it by the base 2 to the power of 4, because this digit is in the position 4 of the number. Plus the next right digit, this one, multiply it by the base 2 to the power of 5, because this digit is in the position 5 of the number. This equal to 1 times 1 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 4 plus 1 times 8 plus 0 times 16 plus 1 times 32. 1 times 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 times 2 is equal to 2 plus 0 times 4 is equal to 0 plus 1 times 8 is equal to 8 plus 0 times 16 is equal to 0 plus 1 times 32 is equal to 32, equal to 43. Now we will convert the fractional part of the number, which is 0.1101. In the fractional part, we take the digits from the left to the right, starting with the first left digit after the decimal point, this one, and multiply it by the base 2 to the power of minus 1, plus the next left digit, this one, multiply it by the base 2 to the power of minus 2, plus the next left digit, this 0, multiply it by the base 2 to the power of minus 3, plus the next left digit, this one, multiply it by the base 2 to the power of minus 4. This equal to 1 times 1 over 2 plus 1 times 1 over 4 plus 0 times 1 over 8 plus 1 times 1 over 16, equal to 0.5 plus 0.25 plus 0 plus 0.0625, equal to 0.8125. Now we add the two converted parts together. 43 plus 0.8125 equal to 43.8125. So the number 101011.1101 in binary is equal to 43.8125 in decimal. Let us take another example. Convert the binary number 0.001 to a decimal number. We will take the digits of the number from the left to the right, starting with the first left digit after the decimal point, this 0, and multiply it by the base 2 to the power of minus 1, plus the next left digit, this 0, multiply it by the base 2 to the power of minus 2, plus the next left digit, this one, multiply it by the base 2 to the power of minus 3, equal to 0 times 1 over 2 plus 0 times 1 over 4 plus 1 times 1 over 8, equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0.125, equal to 0.125. So the number 0.001 in binary is equal to 0.125 in decimal. Let us take that example. Convert the binary number 10110101.010011 to a decimal number. This is a big number, but don't worry, it is easy now, where we will solve it using the Logic Kit app and get the solution with very well explained step by step. Let's see. Go to the App Store, search for Logic Kit, open the app, go to the Convert Numbers section, select the input base, select the output base, type the number 10110101.010011. As we can see, the app gives us instantly the result, which is 365.296875. Now let us explore the steps. As you can see, everything is explained and you can follow the step by step to understand the solution. I will leave the link to download the Logic Kit app from the App Store in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and visit our website. All links are in the description.